guys, Welsh biker here, standing up on top of Roots and Ruts, an MTB trail that me and my mate Mark Jones made. We're going to be going down in on my good old trusty Lapierre, sick little rig. If you haven't already, go click the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you know every time I'm posting, and let's get riding this trail. Right guys, we're going to stop the video here in a minute. We're going to try out this hip. It's a bit awkward because it's tight. Come down off this berm, which is quite steep. Can't really tell on the camera. But on your inside left, got this rock sticking out. I have hit it a couple of times, but not in the wet like this. We were going to turn it into a tabletop, but that hasn't happened yet. Right, let's try it. There we have it. That's Roots and Ruts. Come up and give it a go. It's a nice red trail. Nothing too hard about it. Right guys, I'm going to give you a full rundown now of Roots and Ruts. So, if you like my video, you know what to do. Go hit the subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification button for every time I upload. Come on, drop in. Let's see if we got it. God, here we go. Here we go, pass out. Bit of dirt in there. Go, head. Here we go. This is the far end. A little back of the bike. That's good. In drop. Solid. Up drop. That's it. Fast run. Like I said guys, thanks for watching. That was Roots and Ruts. Go subscribe, hit the post notification button, and hit the like. This is the Welsh Walker, over and out.